Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by selecting the object and opening the material panel so you can control surface response. First, create a new PBR or basic material and give it a clear name. This keeps scenes manageable. Next, assign your image to the diffuse or base color slot. This is the actual texture map that defines visible detail. Once done, make sure the material is active on the object, so the next steps affect the correct surface and you don't overwrite a different material. You now address mapping so the texture sits correctly. Choose the mapping type, UV for precise control, box for simple solids, planar for flats, or triplanar to avoid seams, and apply it to the object. Then tweak repeat, offset, and rotation to eliminate visible tiling or misalignment. This changes how the image tiles across the surface. If you need exact seams, open the UV editor and edit islands or relax UVs. This prevents stretching and preserves detail where it matters most. Finish by adding supporting maps: normal for detail, roughness for gloss, and metalness for reflectivity. Link each image to its proper slot to drive shading. Then balance intensity and roughness values so highlights and reflections look natural. Tweak tiling again if any map appears out of scale. Once satisfied, render a test view. If things go wrong, check object normals, consistent UV scale across maps, and correct color space or gamma for each texture. Fixing these usually resolves common artifacts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.